Hi guys, hope you're doing well. My name is Siddharth and this is the ultimate Kazoo tutorial. We've all heard that you need to hum into your Kazoo in order to make a sound. Yes, technically that's how it works. But that's not enough because it doesn't sound that great when you just hum into your Kazoo. And it ends up sounding like a toy. So in this video, I'm going to give you some tips, tricks, which will take your Kazoo playing to the next level. So let's get started. So the first thing is, do not blow into your Kazoo. See, I manufacture, sell and make videos on Kazoo. And one of the most frequent questions I get asked is, why is there no sound when I blow into it? Well, there will be no sound when you simply blow into your Kazoo, because that's not how it works. See, there is no sound. So let's get this question out of our head once and for all, and do not blow into your Kazoo. Do not just hum into your Kazoo. In order for sound to come out of the Kazoo, you need to hum into it. Let's try that. But humming isn't enough. This is how it sounds when you hum into it. It sounds bad. If you're a beginner, yes, please start with humming because that's how you get started. But this step alone will give you some buyer's remorse. You'll be disappointed with the instrument because it doesn't sound as good as you've seen in some videos. And you'll end up blaming the instrument. But we don't want that. The sound quality would be bad and you wouldn't recommend it to anyone. So what do? You add a little more steps to it. You practice it and you'll see what this instrument is capable of. Use the letters which gives throw. As far as I know, there are some alphabets which gives throw when you speak or sing, like T, D, P, B, G. Out of these you can use T, D and G. With P and B, you close your lips and the Kazoo won't resonate with P and B. Now, based on this theory, I've created a trick called do method. What is that? It's simple. Let's say there's a beat of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you sing on those beats, the first one will be 2 and the rest will be do. This is an exercise and you can switch things around when you become an expert. So the first one will be 2. So you'll be singing 2. Whenever you sing a note, it'll be 2. And the rest one will be do's. And when you become an expert, you sing any tune. You see, the difference is dramatic when you hum into your Kazoo. This is how it sounds. Bad. But when you use the do method, it's amazing what this step can do. Fade in and fade out. Practice fading in and fading out your volume. We don't have sustain in our vocals. Everything with sustain sounds so good. But fortunately, we can mimic sustain. And this is by practicing fading and fading out. Start with the lower volume, reach a plateau, and then fade out. Allow me to demonstrate. You start with the lower volume, fade in slowly, and then fade out. Kind of feels like a string effect, and practice this on scales. Do this while playing a tune or a scale and practice it so much that your subconscious picks it up the next time you play it. And you won't even have to think about it. Do this when it sounds good. And how do you know when it sounds good and when it doesn't? This comes with practice and a lot of playing. Now the next step is slide the note. Practice sliding notes instead of jumping from one note to the other. Then reverse, come back. This gives the song the jazzy feel. try to overdo it, and when you practice and when you perform, don't even think about it, because again, your subconscious will pick things up and you will do stuff naturally. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope it was helpful, and if you have any questions, post it in the comments and I'll come up with the next video and answer those questions. So have fun guys. Peace.